Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Bella.
Today, we're upgrading simple English with phrases people use every day.
The meaning may stay the same, but the new wording can sound smoother and more confident.
Let's begin with 7 useful phrases.
I'm on my way.
I'm nearly there.
Hang on a second.
Let me double check.
I'm not following.
I'll keep that in mind.
I'll pass on that.
Now, let's hear how these phrases fit into everyday situations.
Suppose a friend asks whether you have left home yet.
Instead of saying, I am coming now, you can say, I'm on my way.
And when you are close, I'm nearly there. Gives a clearer update.
That is useful when someone is waiting outside in the cold.
If you need a brief pause, hang on a second. Sounds relaxed and direct.
I use it when I need to find something or finish a quick task.
When you want to check information again, say, let me double check.
It shows that you care about giving the right answer.
And if an explanation is confusing, I'm not following is clear without sounding rude.
You can then ask the person to explain the part you missed.
I'll keep that in mind. Is useful when someone gives advice or a helpful reminder.
It shows that you have listened, even if you do not act immediately.
And I'll pass on that is a polite way to refuse an offer or activity.
I used it when you suggested a 6 o'clock morning run. Haha.
You said it politely, but your answer was very clear.
These phrases are short, but each one suits a different everyday moment.
They help you respond without building a long, formal sentence.
And they are easy to remember because the situations are so common.
Once you notice them, you start hearing them everywhere.
Here are 8 more phrases to practice.
I'm not sold on it.
That rings a bell.
I'm all set.
I'll be right back.
It's still up in the air.
I need to sleep on it.
It grew on me.
That cracked me up.
Now, let's continue with the next group of upgraded phrases.
When an idea does not convince you, I'm not sold on it. Sounds firm, but not harsh.
It works well when you have doubts about a plan, product, or suggestion.
If something seems familiar, that rings a bell is a very natural response.
You might remember the name without remembering every detail.
And when you have everything you need, you can simply say, I'm all set.
That saves you from listing your keys, wallet, phone, and 3 emergency snacks.
If you leave for a short time, I'll be right back. Tells people you will return soon.
For an uncertain plan, it's still up in the air means nothing has been decided.
And if the choice needs more thought, I need to sleep on it. Gives you time.
Sometimes an idea or song seems strange at first, but later it grows on you.
And when something makes you laugh, that cracked me up. Sounds warm and expressive.
Together, these phrases help you sound clearer, more relaxed, and more connected.
A few small upgrades can make a noticeable difference in everyday speech.
Well done for completing today's lesson.
You do not need to memorize every phrase at once.
Listen again, and notice which expressions feel most useful.
Say them out loud and bring them into your own conversations.
See you in the next lesson.